Sophie's secret sunflower. In the quaint town of Sunnyside, where houses had white picket fences and every backyard boasted a garden, lived a little girl named Sophie. With rosy cheeks and a head full of golden curls, Sophie was known for her green thumb. Every plant she touched seemed to flourish and bloom. One day, while exploring the attic, Sophie found an old, dusty book titled The Wonders of Magical Gardening. Inside, she discovered the tale of the secret sunflower, a flower said to bloom only under the care of someone with a truly kind heart. Intrigued, Sophie found a peculiar-looking seed tucked between the book's pages. Without hesitation, she planted it in her garden, marking the spot with a tiny blue ribbon. Days turned into weeks, and while her other plants thrived, the spot where Sophie had planted the magical seed remained barren. But Sophie didn't give up. She watered it, sang to it, and even read stories aloud, hoping the seed would sprout. One evening, as Sophie was about to lose hope, she noticed a tiny green shoot pushing through the soil. Excited, she continued nurturing it, and soon, a tall, majestic sunflower stood in her garden, its petals shimmering in gold and leaves sparkling like emeralds. But this was no ordinary sunflower. Every morning, it would open a petal to reveal a tiny gift, a sweet fruit, a beautiful butterfly, or even a melodious songbird. The sunflower was sharing the kindness Sophie had shown it. Word spread throughout Sunnyside about Sophie's secret sunflower, and people from all over came to see the magical spectacle. They were not only captivated by the sunflower's gifts, but also by the love and dedication Sophie had poured into it. The sunflower became a symbol of hope and kindness in Sunnyside. People began to plant their gardens with more love, hoping to witness the magic Sophie had unlocked. Years later, even when Sophie had grown and the magical sunflower had completed its life cycle, the legend lived on. In the heart of Sunnyside, Sophie wasn't just a gardener. She was the beacon of unwavering hope and boundless love. The end.